Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on your idea pins from creators. So we thank your like on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this icon now. How we can do that? All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on save, then you come to next window here. On this window we will go to go back, and you just go down here, you click here on save, then it's going to take you to your profile or this window. Then you just go up, you click here on up, it's going to show for your window like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on notifications. Then you come to notifications window, and you just click here on Pinterest. Then you come to Pinterest window, and you just go down, you come here to activity from creators, you click here on new idea pins from creators we think you like. We just click here on this mark, and like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's turned on now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.